This video forces you to think about yourself now. I have to change my lifestyle to avoid more damage if you are in your 60s or older. You've been noticing small but clear changes in your physique lately, things that you never thought about earlier in your life. When you stand, your knees make a noise, cramp, and cause pain. Your hands tingle for no reason, like small sparks you can't describe. Your legs don't feel as strong or solid anymore. You think about climbing the stairs for a moment, hoping your body will cooperate. It's really annoying, isn't it? We say it's just getting older, but deep down, you know it's more than that. There is a secret player inside your body that keeps everything together, but it starts to dim as you become older. Collagen is the secret. It is an important protein that maintains your joints flexible, your muscles strong, and your body working smoothly. What is collagen and why is it so important? Imagine that your body is a complicated machine, like a car. Like the steel frame that binds everything together, collagen gives everything shape and strength. Collagen is the most common protein in your body. It gives your skin, muscles, joints, tendons, ligaments, and even the small blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body their shape. When your collagen levels are high, your machine works well. Your skin appears firm and young, your joints move without pain, and your muscles are powerful and quick to respond. The steel frame can start to rust and get weaker as you get older, though. When collagen levels drop, the frame becomes weak and brittle. Parts start to wear out, movements become stiff, and little warning symptoms like tingling or numbness show up. This wear and tear makes things like walking, climbing stairs, and even standing up feel harder and more tiring. In short, collagen is what keeps your body robust and flexible. It helps you stay active and feel good. Why does collagen go down as we become older? Our bodies naturally slow down collagen production as we become older. It doesn't end all at once. It doesn't stop all at once. Instead, it slows down little by little, like a factory slowly shutting down its manufacturing line. After age 60, collagen production slows a lot. By the time you're in your 70s or 80s, it may be making less than half of what it used to. Deterioration is a big reason why older individuals typically have difficulties like stiff joints, weak muscles, trouble with balance, and even wrinkles on the skin. What's annoying? A lot of us think of this as normal aging, but it doesn't have to be that way. How can you naturally help collagen? The good news is that your body can still make collagen. You simply need to give it the correct building blocks. That's where nutrition comes in. To boost collagen formation and safeguard what you currently have, you need certain nutrients, including vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C is like a construction worker on a building site. It helps your body put together collagen fibers, which makes your joints, muscles, and skin stronger. Antioxidants protect collagen from damage induced by oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress is a type of damage that happens over time when free radicals, which are bad chemicals, build up in your body. Why should we focus on fruits? Fruits are a natural, tasty, and easy to find source of these important nutrients. You don't have to spend a lot of money on supplements that don't always work. Instead, you can use the power of nature's pantry. Fruits have vitamin C, antioxidants, enzymes, and other important substances that work together to enhance collagen, lower inflammation, and improve blood flow. Better blood flow brings more oxygen and nutrients to your joints and muscles, which helps them stay healthy and heal faster. What's next? This video will show you 8 amazing fruits that research says can help your body make collagen again on its own. These fruits are more than just delectable snacks. They are full of nutrients that can help lessen joint discomfort, build muscle, enhance balance, and get you moving again. This will make you feel younger and move more easily. And wait till you hear about the #1 fruit on the list. It's a real game changer that a lot of people don't think about, but it might make all the difference for seniors who want to get their strength and freedom back. Before we get started, have you noticed that your body isn't as flexible as it used to be? You can have sore knees after a walk or tingling hands out of the blue. Or maybe you don't want to climb stairs since your legs don't feel as powerful as they used to. You're not the only one who feels that way, and you're in the perfect spot. Leave a comment below and tell us about your experience. I read them all and appreciate hearing your stories. Your tale might also assist someone else. Are you ready to learn about the best way to rebuild collagen in nature? Get a notebook, because you'll want to remember these fruits and how easy they are to fit into your regular life. Nature's easy answer: fruits that help collagen grow. What if I told you that the secret to stronger joints and healthier muscles is already in the fruit aisle? Believe it or not, your neighborhood grocery store has some of the best natural tools to help your body make more collagen and get stronger. Fruits that are high in certain nutrients not only taste good, but they also help make collagen, lower inflammation, and enhance blood flow. All of these things are important for keeping your joints and muscles healthy. And this isn't just a story that old women tell. Science has shown that these fruits actually do work. In this video, I'll show you 8 strong fruits that science has shown can help your body make more collagen and reduce some of the regular aches and pains that come with becoming older. You'll find out why these fruits work, how to effortlessly add them to your meals every day, and which one is the best secret weapon for seniors who want to feel stronger and more nimble. Before we get started, but first, I want to ask you something. Have you found that your body is less flexible, stiff, or weak lately? It could be harder to get up from a chair or climb stairs. Do your knees hurt after you walk? Or have your hands or feet ever felt tingly or numb? Please leave a comment below and tell us your story if any of this seems familiar. We are creating a community that helps each other find natural, science-based solutions to age gracefully, and your experience is really important. Want to know which fruits can help you feel stronger, more flexible, and eager to move around? Let's get started. Fruit 8: Guava, the architect of collagen. Some people may not be as familiar with guava, yet it's a great food for collagen health. Guava has more vitamin C than oranges and helps seniors move better, reduce joint inflammation, and boost collagen density. It also has a lot of potassium and soluble fiber, which help control blood sugar and improve circulation. This is very important for people with prediabetes and balance problems. Eating fresh guava or mixing it into liquids that don't have any sugar in them is a tasty method to help your body rebuild collagen. Guava is a common food in places like South Korea and Japan that helps keep senior people's joints and muscles healthy. Many people say that after just a few weeks, their legs are stronger, they have fewer cramps, and they can move around more easily. Guava is like an architect who builds and strengthens the collagen structure in your body. Fruit 7: Pineapple, which fights inflammation. Pineapple is well known for its sweet tropical taste, but it also has a lot of bromelain, a natural enzyme that fights inflammation. Bromelain has been shown in studies to lower swelling, relieve joint discomfort, and speed up the repair of connective tissues. Clinical investigations show that bromelain supplements help arthritis patients with pain and swelling a lot, especially in joints that bear weight, such as the knees and hips. Pineapple also has vitamin C, manganese, and B vitamins, which are all important for making collagen and fixing muscles. Pineapple can help seniors who have stiff legs, tight calves, or leg cramps at night by improving blood flow and easing pain. Fresh pineapple is great in smoothies and salads, but don't use canned pineapple because it loses a lot of its bromelain strength. Pineapple is like a cleaning crew for your body. It gets rid of inflammation and gets your joints ready for restoration. And so, like pineapple, which became the name of the soda brand for decades when taken as both a beer and set similar to a general throat distress fruit. 6: Papaya. Papaya is the 6th fruit on the list. It is a natural repair specialist. Papaya is more than just a tasty tropical fruit. It's also your body's natural repair crew. It has papain in it, which is an enzyme that breaks down damaged tissues and makes room for new collagen to grow. Studies reveal that papain also helps your body take in important amino acids like proline and glycine, which are needed to make strong collagen strands. Papaya is easy on the stomach, so it's great for older people whose digestion is delicate or whose systems are weak. As you help your body mend and rebuild itself, enjoy the delicious tropical taste of papaya. Strawberries is fifth. Strawberries help build collagen. Strawberries are not only tasty, but they also work hard to strengthen your skin, muscles, and tendons by laying down new collagen fibers. Studies reveal that strawberries may increase collagen production by up to 30% since they are abundant in vitamin C and manganese, a mineral that is important for making collagen. Also, strawberries have flavonoids like quercetin and camphorol that help reduce inflammation in your joints and muscles, which can help with pain and spasms. They are easy on the stomach and help keep blood sugar levels stable, so they are great for older people. A sub should have a smaller upper lip, wrist, and jaw muscles as they are more sensitive to heat, causing minerals to parch from your bones and fracture. Chronic inflammation can cause all sorts of health problems, such as hyper and chronic inflammation in your joints and muscles, which can help with pain and spasms, which can also prevent you from sliding, moving, or injury. Benefits of strawberries. They contribute to immune function, help with creativity and muscle recovery. Enjoy strawberries fresh, in smoothies, or with Greek yogurt for a snack that will help your body make more collagen. Fruit fourth. Amla, Indian gooseberry. The vitamin C powerhouse, amla, is a fruit you may not hear about very often. Amla is small and sour, but it does a great job of strengthening collagen. Vitamin C is important for making collagen, which is the main building block your body needs to make strong skin, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Amla has a lot of vitamin C in it, more than 10 times what an orange has. But amla doesn't end there. It also has a lot of antioxidants, including azelaic and gallic acids. These protect your collagen from damage caused by inflammation and oxidative stress, which are two of the main causes of joint pain and muscle weakness. Amla is helpful for older people because it doesn't upset their stomachs, so even if your stomach is sensitive, you can still enjoy its benefits. Want to give it a shot? You can drink fresh amla juice, add powdered amla to smoothies, or have a warm cup of amla tea. Eating amla is a great approach to boost collagen production and protect what you already have. Third is black raspberries. Black raspberries are the collagen protector fruit number 7. Now, let's discuss about black raspberries. The anthocyanins in these dark purple berries are what make them so remarkable. They help stop enzymes from breaking down type 2 collagen, which is what maintains your joints, cartilage, and spinal discs healthy. Black raspberries keep these enzymes in check, which protects your cartilage and connective tissues. That means your joints will hurt less, be more flexible, and feel stronger and more resilient. They also help blood flow in the tiny blood arteries in your feet and legs. This better blood flow helps with symptoms that many people have, such cold feet, tingling toes, and leg cramps at night. You may simply enjoy black raspberries by mixing them into smoothies, putting them in your yogurt, or eating them frozen as a snack. Black raspberries are a delightful method to keep your joints supple and your body functioning smoothly. Second is blueberries. Blueberries are the best at delivering nutrients. Blueberries are a well-known superfood, but they do more than just taste good. These berries are good for your cartilage and can assist with symptoms like tingling and numbness in your legs. They also make more nitric oxide, which opens up blood vessels and makes blood flow better. This is especially good for your knees, calves, and feet, which tend to have poor blood flow as we get older. For a tasty, healthy smoothie that boosts collagen, try mixing blueberries with black raspberries and a little amla juice. Blueberries are like delivery trucks for your body, making sure that nutrients get to the locations that need them the most. The master key kiwi. Finally, kiwi is the fruit that helps collagen the most. Kiwi not only helps your body make more collagen, but it also helps it use it better. Actinidin is an enzyme that breaks down proteins into tiny bits that your body can readily turn into collagen. Studies demonstrate that older people who eat kiwi every day take in more collagen peptides, have less knee pain, and have better balance, all of which are important for lowering the risk of falling. Kiwi is also a good source of potassium, lutein, vitamin E, and fiber, which aid with blood pressure, circulation, digestion, and easing leg cramps and constipation. Eating one kiwi per day, either in the morning or at night, unlocks actinitin's full potential. This helps your body get the most out of all the fruits you eat that enhance collagen. Researchers at the University of Tokyo found that kiwi affects genes that are related to oxidative stress. This slows down joint degeneration and protects collagen. Kiwi really is the key that unlocks your body's full potential to heal and regenerate. Researchers at the University of Tokyo found that kiwi affects full potential to heal and regenerate. Amla, black raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, papaya, pineapple, guava, and kiwi are 8 fruits that can help you regenerate collagen, ease joint discomfort, and get your strength back. These meals are not magic pills. They are scientifically shown to work together to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and repair your body from the inside out. Start small. Add kiwi to your breakfast, mix guava and pineapple into smoothies, or eat strawberries as a snack all day. Tell anybody you know who has joint pain or weak muscles about this. If you want to take charge of your health in a natural way, leave a comment saying yes below. Keep in mind that this path isn't just about living longer, it's also about living more. At any age, you can move with confidence, strength, and freedom.